PayPal, Stripe, WorldPay. With hundreds of options to choose from, how do you know which payment gateway is right for you? Today, we'll go over the basics, what a payment gateway is, and how to choose the appropriate ones for your business. Hi, I'm Flavie from Rebilly, your partner in subscription billing. Every business is unique, and having the flexibility of choosing payment gateways that make the most sense for your business can have a big impact on your transaction approval rate. Today, we'll cover the key factors you need to keep in mind when evaluating which payment gateways will open more doors for your business. So let's start by explaining what a payment gateway actually is. So you know the point of sale terminal that you use to pay at the store? Well, the payment gateway is the online equivalent to that. Famous payment gateways include Stripe, PayPal, Square, WorldPay, etc. They will safely encrypt customers' data and securely communicate the transaction information to the merchant's bank account. It is a service that lets you accept payments from your customers to your merchant bank account. So basically, they allow your customers to buy safely from you online. You must be wondering, do I need a payment gateway? Well, if you want to sell online, you absolutely do need a payment gateway. It's the only way to get paid. Now, two questions need to be answered. Number one, how many payments gateways should I work with? Having multiple payment gateways can help protect you in case something goes wrong. For example, if your payment gateway accounts get shut down or is malfunctioning, you can automatically redirect the transaction to another payment gateway. That way, the sale will go through with no hassle and the customer experience will not be affected. A great advantage of some billing tools is that they allow you to redirect transactions to different payment gateways based on specific criteria. This automated process is called routing. With our tool of choice, Rebilly, you can route each transaction to the most friendly payment gateway based on virtually any transaction data parameter you can think of: geolocalization, BIN number, transaction amount, etc. Smart routing will give each of your transactions better chances of being approved. Which leads us to question number two. How do I know which payment gateways are the right ones for me? Here's a few factors to consider when evaluating a payment gateway. Factor number one, classic versus modern. Do you want a modern payment gateway such as PayPal or a classic one such as WorldPay? Classic gateways take a bit longer to get set up and they require a merchant account. They typically have lower fees, but there can be other fees associated with the merchant account. On the other hand, modern gateways are easier to set up, and some of them don't require a separate merchant account. They will typically charge higher fees. Factor number two, hosted or integrated. Do you want the payment gateway to be filtered into a hosting site, or do you want it integrated into your website? Some payment gateways will charge a fee per transaction. Some others will charge a monthly fee. Some additional fees include chargebacks, refunds, and transaction value limits, etc. The downside is that your customers are now leaving your website to go pay on a different one, and that might affect your customer's experience. Instead, with an integrated payment gateway, your customer's experience will be much smoother because they stay on your website to pay all along. But you will have to take care of the security issues, the custom development, and the ongoing maintenance. Factor number three, security level. How much security do you need? You already know the devastating impact that a security breach can have. So we recommend going with payment gateways that provide complete privacy policy and a level 1 compliance with the Payment Card Data Security Standard, or PCI DSS. Factor number four, fees. What fees are involved? Most payment gateways charge a fee per transaction. Some others will charge a monthly fee. You'll also see some additional fees for chargebacks and refunds, transaction value limits, etc. The good news is that many payment gateways will be able to offer your business a custom package. Factor number 5, the transaction data. Do you need all of your transaction data? Some businesses rely on their payment gateway for financial review. By using a tool like Rebilly, you would have access to elaborate financial reporting data. This wraps up our key factors to consider when evaluating a payment gateway. Selecting and managing the right payment gateways can be a complicated process. But when it comes down to customer satisfaction and online transaction security, routing to the right payment gateway is well worth the effort. Here at Rebilly, we integrate with over 80 payment gateways, and our smart rerouting solution can positively impact your transaction approval rate. If you want to learn more about payment gateways, make sure you click the link below. If you have any questions, you can leave a comment and we'll answer it in a future video. Thanks and see you next time.